Open your Filmora 15, download now if you're new here using the link below. Select AI Extend and import the video that you want to extend for a maximum of 8 seconds. I also used this video to make a tutorial on how to use pen tool creatively. You can watch that video of mine on how to maximize the pen tool into something great. Thank you. Drag and drop your video clip on the editing timeline. Click this AI extension button and drag your old clip to the right to see what AI will generate to extend. Now, after extending, of course, AI needs your prompt to guide it to generate new videos. Here you can use these camera movement if you want it to look like it's panning or moving, not just static. Since we're already using AI, if you can't think of a good prompt, you may also seek help from AI to create your prompt based off any word that you will say or write. Here, you may also change the resolution of the extended video, but for the duration, it's either 5 seconds or 8 seconds, no more than that. Remember that you cannot benefit from all of these if you don't have Filmora 15, so please check it out using the link in the description below. After generating, you will see that your car video is now extended. Alright, so as you can see, the car did another loop of drifting, then the video came to a stop. You might be wondering, is it okay to use AI Extend to these AI-generated video? The answer is yes. I used this clip to generate new AI video to continue this frame. Click this AI Extend button and drag your clip to the right. Insert the prompt, this time it will be shorter, and I will be using the camera movement prompt provided here. Let's watch the result.